My beloved students, as you are hope of our state and you have shown your result itself is the testimony of your hard work, and it is a very joyful and proud moment as you all join Raj Bhavan on very short notice for this award giving ceremony at the Raj Bhavan. This is the place where the swearing in of all the highest dignitary of a state happens. Any state level, the top apex programs happens. So you please keep in mind your hard work, your dedication. Anyway, nobody knows. It might be some among you, might be the governor, might be the chief minister, might be the chief justice, or anything. Future is endless. So please keep always in your mind, because nowadays the challenges are very vibrant, very multifolded. The challenges through social media, very throat-cut competition, opportunities, what we look there are always the top, always a point. The space is limited, but with your calculated effort, with right kind of assessment of your ability and your orientation, and thus you can dream in that way, and not only to dream, but to make strategy also to